today's video, we're going to be restocking samples and lip scrubs and also ordering samples. I think I said it in my last video that I was going to order samples off of Alibaba.com. And then I think I said in like a few vlogs back that I was going to order basically a tube with your logo printed on it. So that's what I want to do. I've tried the Avery labels. I've tried the vinyl labels. I want to do the printed labels now. You can do whatever you want, but this is what I want to do. And I personally feel like as my business grows, I want to get better products, better quality products, and just make it look better. So I'm going to be ordering mine from Alibaba.com. And I also ordered some samples yesterday. I ordered 2 samples yesterday off of Alibaba.com. And I'm basically gonna like do kind of a walkthrough, I guess, on how I went about ordering samples. I'm doing this for the people that are thinking about ordering samples that don't know, you know, really how to do it. I'm here to help. So I'm gonna basically just give a walkthrough and like talk, and I'm gonna put screenshots. I wish I would have did this in real time because it would have been easier, but I was in my bed when I was ordering the samples. So I'm gonna add screenshots and basically just, you know, tell y'all what I did and how to go about doing it. Just go on Alibaba.com and type in whatever it is that you're looking for. And then I'm looking at the screenshots. They have it to where you can send an inquiry if you want samples. So you just click that. Some people have a hard time getting their words together, so it's typed up for you. So all you have to do is press send. And basically what it says, like what they type is, "Hi, I'm interested in your product wholesale for blah, blah, blah. I would like some more details. I look forward to your reply. Regards." So then you just press send. Whenever they're working, they will get back to you. The seller that I decided to go with got back to me literally within seconds. And she said, "Hello, it's my pleasure to serve you." One thing about me, I'm very straight to the point. I like to get to the point. I don't like to beat around the bush because I want to get it done. So I said, "Hello, is there a way I can order samples with my logo on the tube? I want to see how it will look before purchasing a large amount." And then she replied and said, "Yes, please show me your logo." I sent my logo over, and then she kept insisting on me getting a black logo, but that's not what I want. I want my logo white. So she said, "Print black logo," and then she said, "Please tell me your shipping address and all that, and she will send the order to you by Alibaba.com." So I said, "I would like the white logo," and I sent my address. Then she sent a picture of the tubes and said, "Which one do I want?" So y'all know my colors are pink and white. So I decided I wanted to get a pink tube to sample and a white tube to sample because I don't know which one I want. Like, I don't know. Like, do I want pink tubes or white? I don't know. I said, "Can I sample white and pink?" She said, "Pink print white logo, white print black logo, right?" And I said, "White logo is fine for both." So then she sent over the order payment, like the invoice, and I paid. And then she said that she would send a mock-up to me tomorrow. And then it is very late here. If you have any issues, please leave a message online. I will get back to you tomorrow. Thanks. And I said, "Okay, great. Thank you so much." It is very, very simple. Literally, any questions you have, they will answer. I did that within, I would say, about probably like 10 minutes. It was very, very fast. So once my samples get here, I will definitely show y'all. And I also just ordered some black wand tubes off of Alibaba.com for wholesale. I ordered 500 and they actually just shipped today, so they should be here within a week. My tubes get here within a week. It's very, very fast shipping. So I will unbox those on camera with you guys as well. If you guys have any questions at all, you can leave them down below. The shipping is a little pricey, but me personally, I don't mind. I'll pay whatever the shipping is because I want the product. I was gonna order squeeze tubes as well, but I was like, I'm gonna get a wand tube this time because I've always sold squeeze tubes. I have sold wand tubes in the past, but it was for like a separate collection. So with these wand tubes, I'll be putting my regular glosses in there and my glitz and glam glosses, and whatever other glosses I decide to make, I'll put in those tubes as well. But I cannot wait to see them. I believe that's gonna be so pretty. Like, bro, I'm gonna be like really official, really professional. If you're looking for custom products, custom boxes, custom tubes, custom jars, like anything custom or not, it doesn't even have to be custom because I got these tubes and they do not have logos on them, and I use these for wholesale. I got these off of Alibaba.com. Like I said, the shipping is a little pricey, but me personally, I don't care. Some of you may, some of you may not. I would say, you know, still check them out. For your business needs, they have everything up there, literally, like everything. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that this helps out a little bit if you're, you know, thinking about ordering samples. Before we start the whole restocking process, of course we have to get these cleaned. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these in my cleaning water and let them soak a little. These are the jars that I use for my nude samples. These samples are for my Glitz and Glam collection. It's time to get these samples back on the site so the folks can order and try to gloss this out. Everything is dry. They've been dry for probably almost a week now, but I'm just not getting to it because I've been super busy. We're gonna start with the nude glosses first. the Glitz and Glam samples, which go in these mini wand tubes. So once I put the stopper in and put the wand, it'll go down some, but these are samples, so you won't get like a lot of glitter, just a little bit. And of course you cannot fill them all the way to the top because it will not close up. So this is good enough, just a sample. Bro, what? So I lost the footage of me filling these. Like I literally was just filming and it went away. But yeah, I did a small restock on a few of my lip scrubs.